Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to see how to set color tune on Jio Airtel. First thing first, go to the Play Store or App Store and download the JioSaavn app. Launch the app and tap on the Jio Tunes tab located at the bottom of the screen. Now you need to choose a song. Just browse your favorite tracks or tap the Jio Tune icon next to any song to see if it's available as a color tune. Now, tap the play button to listen to a short preview of the tune, and if you like it, tap on set to make it your Jio Tune. Now, once your Jio Tune is successfully activated, you'll see a confirmation message on your screen and also receive an SMS confirmation from Jio. And that's it, your Jio Tune is now set. The next time someone calls you, they'll hear your favorite song before you pick up. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.